Today I'm going to show you how to view min search activities in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to check your recent searches, review your search activity insights, or see what Microsoft has recorded in your Bing history, this tutorial will walk you through the process clearly and safely. This is especially useful if you want to understand your search habits, manage your browsing privacy, or simply find something you searched for earlier. And before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Since MSN and Bing are part of Microsoft's ecosystem, Edge makes the process quick and easy, but you can also use another browser if needed. Once Edge opens, go to msn.com in the address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the MES homepage where you'll be able to access Microsoft's search tools and account-related features. Now that you're on MES, look for the search bar on the page. This is usually located near the top of the homepage. Click inside the search bar to activate it. At this point, you may see search suggestions or recent activity appear depending on your account and browsing history. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account, this is where you can start accessing more detailed search information. Next, open Manage Bing Search History. You may see a link, option, or account-related menu that leads to your Bing search management page. This is the section where Microsoft keeps track of your search activity, allowing you to review past searches and control how your history is stored. If you don't see it right away, look for Settings, Privacy, or Search History options connected to your Microsoft account. Once the Manage Bing Search History page opens, you'll be able to view your search activity insights. This is the part that shows you what you've searched for and may also display patterns or useful summaries of your recent activity. Depending on your account settings, you might see search terms, timestamps, or related insights that help you better understand your search behavior. Take a moment to review the activity carefully. If your goal is privacy, this is also the point where you can decide whether to clear specific items, manage your history settings, or adjust how Bing stores your searches in the future. If you just wanted to view your MSN search activities, you're now in the right place and can use this page anytime you need to check your data again. So to quickly recap, open Microsoft Edge, go to MSN.com, click the search bar, open Manage Bing Search History, and then view your search activity insights. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it gives you a lot more control over your Microsoft search history. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.